Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to get the donate button in PL's Donate. So let's get started. First, open Roblox and launch the PL's Donate game. Once you're inside, walk up to any unclaimed stand. Press and hold the E key to claim it. If you have not created a Gamepass yet, you won't see the Donate button. To add the Donate button, go to the Roblox website and click Create at the top. Then tap on Creations. Under the Experience tab, choose an existing experience or make a new one. From the left panel, scroll down and under the Monetization tab, select Create Pass. Upload an image, give it a name like Donation Button, add a description, and click Create Pass. Once uploaded, click on your newly created pass and go to the Sales tab. Enable it for sale and set the price in Robux. Now return to PL's Donate and rejoin the game. Your booth will automatically update, and the Donate button will appear with the items and their prices. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.